everybody, very warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English channel. This is me, your master teacher Nabamita Bhattacharya, and today I am here to let you know that which are the chapters in chemistry that you should start right now for you to be able to crack JEE Mains 2024 with amazing ranks. So let's begin. Let's get set, go. You know that JEE 2024, I'm always going to tell you that time is of essence, my dear student, right? Don't forget to comment that also. Time is of essence, okay? Time is very important for us. So, before I start with the session, this is your JEE English channel. Although the name of the channel is JEE English, but guess what? We do cater to BITSAT, we do cater to VIT EEE, we do cater to MSET, we do cater to CUET as well. And this year, you will be able to see all of these things from the very beginning in full-fledged Josh. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel because this is the official channel where most of the competitive exams are dealt with. All the information are given to you in English, absolutely English, no other language, okay? And if you are coming here repeatedly, then don't forget to like the video, yeah? Like will definitely help me, okay? And if you want to stay connected with me outside the class, then this is my Instagram handle. You can stay connected, we will talk to you, you will get to see me, what I do outside the classroom and all of these. Yeah, so we will stay connected basically. I'll see you there also. Now moving on, without much further ado, let's start with today's topic. Now, what is the first thing that you have to know? The first thing that you have to know before you start with your preparation is that basics, the fundamental, right? The fundamentals are very important because the fundamentals, they keep popping out here and there in most of the chapters that you are going to study. In chemistry, for JEE, for boards, for any other competitive exam, so your fundamentals and your basics have to be clear, have to be strong. So when we keep talking about basics and fundamental, what exactly are these basics or what exactly are these fundamental chapters that we keep talking about? Now, in case of physical chemistry, I hope you know that in chemistry, these are the three segments of chemistry. There is physical chemistry, there is organic chemistry, and there is inorganic chemistry. Now, physical chemistry deals with mole concept, equilibrium, chemical kinetics, thermodynamics. These are all a part of physical chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with your periodic properties, coordination compound, sp, DNF blocks, metallurgy. These are all chemical bonding. These are all your inorganic chemistry. And organic chemistry, as you know, general organic chemistry, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, alcohol, phenols and ethers, hydrocarbon, these are all a part of organic chemistry, right? Now, when we talk about physical chemistry, the chapter that you must start right now is mole concept, because mole concept, my dear student, is actually related to many chapters. Although in your JEE Mains or even in JEE Advanced, you will not get to see many questions from mole concept. However, you will be seeing that this chapter, this concept, this is a very basic concept for different other chapters like solution, like electrochemistry, yes? And hence it's important that you have cleared mole concept absolutely perfectly, okay? Now, once that is done, okay, once you are done with mole concept, then you move on and then you do inorganic chemistry. And in inorganic chemistry, the first chapter that you are going to complete is periodic table and chemical bonding. Once you are done with these two chapters, you have pretty much covered 70% of the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is very scoring. It's not too tough. It's a little dry subject. People try to, often remember it, but all it requires is 2 times if you have read the chapters very well. Yes, 2 times if you have read the chapter very well, and 1 time if you have made the proper, perfect, in detailed notes, you are sorted for 1 whole year. You are sorted for this whole year. Okay, so 70% of your inorganic question will actually be based out of these two chapters, because periodic table will also deal with the blocks, right? S block, P block, D block, F block, right? And once you are done with D and F block, you will also be able to understand some of the concepts from coordination chemistry, coordination compounds, right? So basically you see how it is so interconnected, and so beautifully you will be covering most of the inorganic syllabus just by doing these 2 chapters. Okay, once you do chemical bonding, you will get to know how to calculate bond order. You will also understand about molecular orbital theory, which is basically the last stage of coordination compound, in which you learn about Werner's theory, valence bond theory, and CFT, crystal field theory. After that comes molecular theory, molecular orbital theory. So you will be able to basically cover it from here. Okay, so these are the 2 chapters from inorganic chemistry you are starting with. Now what you do, in organic chemistry, obviously you will have to start with, first of all, GOC, and second, you just have to do hydrocarbon. These 2 chapters are the most important. Okay, these 2 chapters are very, very, very important. General organic chemistry and hydrocarbon, that's it, these 2 chapters. Okay, now moving on, what we're going to do is, first we will choose the study material. Number 1 thing that we're going to do is NCERT. First thing, of course there are many reference books, all of that later. First thing is NCERT. Yes, NCERT is your best bet, because 100%, actually not even 100%, I won't say 100%, I won't say 100%, because obviously there are other reference books and they are not there just for the, just for waste of time, right? For at least inorganic chemistry, 80 to 90% will definitely come from NCERT. Okay. For physical and organic, obviously you can read it first, because NCERT is very basic, and from there your concepts will get cleared. But you will obviously have to do the problem solving from other reference books, which we will do it. Don't worry about it. Now, these books, they cover the NCERT, they cover the entire syllabus, and in an alright depth, not too deep, obviously not too deep, not like every in detail, elaborate, all the explanation is there, but pretty much in depth and in sync with the JEE syllabus also. All the concepts are covered in these books and in a very easy to understand language. Yes. So therefore, NCERT rocks, NCERT rules, right? Okay, we will also talk about what are the syllabus reduction and how the new NCERT will affect you and all of these. But right now, let's talk about this. Okay. Then comes organic chemistry. Like I said, GOC and hydrocarbon is the most important, most important 2 chapters. The mechanism of each and every reaction, it depends on their acidity, basicity, intermediate stability, and all the organic chapters of class 12 is absolutely based on these chapters. So GOC is very, very important. You cannot skip GOC. You have to study GOC. We tell later on we tell the students that you can skip GOC if you want, because if you have studied, then you don't have to revise. You already know the concept, then it's fine for you to skip. But if you skip this right now, and if you think that you will be able to solve all the other questions from all the other organic chapters, bro, that's not going to happen. So please make sure that you study it right now. Okay? All right? Now, don't take all the topics at once. Don't take physical, inorganic, organic, everything right now and try to eat it, or don't try to shove it down your throat right away. You will not be able to do it. One step at a time. 1 chapter in a day. Okay? Yes? Alright? You still have 8 to 9 months. 8 to 9 months you have. In this 8 months, 3 months give it to class 11th. Rest of the months, 12th, and then problem solving. Okay? Alright? Yes? Okay. Then what you have to do is, you have to work on your time management. Guys, a lot of students, see, you have to understand that the toppers of JEE, right, they are also getting the same amount of time, right? They also have 24 hours, they also have 8 to 9 months, and they also have 365 days a year. It's not like they are getting a leap year, they are getting a 24 hours extra. They are not getting anything extra. All that they are doing is, they are making sure that they are managing their time. See, it will take a lot of sacrifice right now. But give it, 1 to 2 years. You will get the dream college that you want. You will get the dream branch that you want. You will get the dream rank that you want. And all of these are absolutely brag-worthy. When you introduce yourself that, hey, I'm from IIT Bombay, CSE, people actually will go like, whoa. So don't let it go. Just because of today's fun, don't let go of your entire dream. Yeah? Focus on the time management. It's very, 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 very important, and you must do it from the absolute day 1. Okay, and when you focus on time management, you also have to make sure that you are increasing your speed and accuracy every single day, because in JEE Mains there are a lot of questions, and all the questions are not something that is easy, not something that can be solved by each and every single student. So speed, accuracy, both of them matter. The faster you solve the problems, the faster you'll be able to complete the paper, and the more accurate you are, the better chances of you getting a better rank, right? So make sure that you work on both of them. Okay, create your own notes. My dear student, of course, every year we do tell the students that we will be providing you handwritten notes, we will be providing you this notes, we will be providing with PYQs, and we do that also. But one thing that is very concrete for you is to make your own notes. Nothing better than that. Nothing is better than that. I will provide you with my notes, definitely, no doubt about it. But you have to have your own notes. Jot down the key concepts. Yes, make sure that you have the charts right in front of your face from right now only. Physical chemistry has a lot of formulas. Write it down right in front of you. Look at it every single day. Before you start preparation, prepare all of these so that you look at it every day and you'll be able to remember. Yes? Okay? And with this note, I'm going to end the session today. I hope you are motivated enough to start your journey for JEE 2024. I'll see you very soon with newer sessions. Yes? And till then, all the very best. Take care. Bye. Thank you.